Can I buy a replacement Sharp TV remote? Yes, you can buy a replacement Sharp TV remote, as they are widely available from official Sharp retailers, third-party sellers, and online marketplaces. Whether you need an original Sharp remote or a universal remote compatible with Sharp TVs, there are several options available depending on your TV model and remote type. 1. Where to buy a replacement Sharp TV remote. You can find replacement Sharp TV remotes from the following sources: official Sharp website and authorized dealers. Check if Sharp's official store or authorized retailers sell remotes for your TV model: Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and Best Buy. Many third-party sellers offer genuine Sharp remotes and universal remote options. Electronics and appliance stores, retailers like Target, Home Depot, and local electronics shops may carry replacement remotes. Sharp customer support. Contact Sharp's official support to find an exact match for your TV model. 2. Choosing the right replacement remote. There are different types of replacement remotes available for Sharp TVs. Original Sharp remotes. These are exact replacements for your specific Sharp TV model, ensuring full compatibility. Universal remotes. Brands like GE, RCA, and Logitech Harmony offer universal remotes that can be programmed to work with Sharp TVs. Smart remotes for Sharp Smart TVs. Some Sharp Smart TVs support Wi-Fi or Bluetooth-enabled remotes with voice control and app shortcuts. Replacement remotes with pre-programmed codes. Many third-party remotes come pre-configured for Sharp TVs, making setup quick and easy. 3. How to pair a replacement remote with a Sharp TV. If you buy a universal or third-party remote, you may need to manually pair it with your Sharp TV. Check the user manual for programming instructions. Use auto search mode if available by holding down the setup button and following on-screen prompts. Enter a Sharp TV remote code, typically found in the remote's instruction guide. Test the buttons to ensure proper functionality. You can buy a replacement Sharp TV remote from official stores, online retailers, or third-party sellers. Whether you choose an original, universal, or smart remote, ensure compatibility with your Sharp TV for the best experience.